Introduce yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sahil Singh and I am from Ranchi. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Narula Institute of Technology in Computer Science Department. I have done many projects like uh, a tic-tac-toe game, like hangman game, which made me somewhat proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in this, in, uh, by making these projects, I am just entering in web development field, which will further make me proficient in that. And uh, and that's all about myself.
Okay. You don't have any kind of hobby?
No, I have hobbies like singing, like traveling, etc., and playing F2P games.
Okay. This is about your hobby.
Yes.
So in your free time, what do you like to do the most?
In free time, I would like to just listening songs and repeating them. And like sometimes, if I am proficient in some type of languages, then I'm trying to just code it by listening to the music.
Okay. So tell me, what are the means if I give you any kind of situation, um sometimes have you ever failed in any kind of project or in your school anytime? Has it happened ever?
At school, there were not many projects as uh, there were not many projects in school that I participated in. In college life only, I have participated in many types of projects like hackathon. Like in first year, I have done one project
No, I'm not
management.
asking about the projects. If I say that you will not get this job,
Hmm.
so would you take it as a failure or as a accomplishment that you will get yourself a time to enhance your skill or everything, anything like
No,
that?
I will take time first of all to accept this
Okay.
because I think I am fit for this job.
What makes you fit for this job?
Because you require a backend and front end developer,
Okay.
which in that I am proficient in that. I have done many projects in that, so I think like I am best fit for this job, and I will be an asset in that in your company.
Okay. So if the company sends you any where else, like you said that you are from Ranchi.
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely, I think you are available to relocate.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes. So in which locations are you comfortable to relocate? All over India?
All over India, like Mumbai, Delhi, because there were relative living in that
You
area.
have certain preferences, but
Yeah.
why do you have such preferences? Because relatives live there.
No, because uh, that can be true that like my relative live there and my lifestyle will be easier
Okay.
in that area.
Okay, but don't you think that when you talk about the software and everything, this particular IT field, it is much developed in the South India rather than any northern part of the country?
Yeah, you can say that. Like in Bangalore, there are much developed in Bangalore, like Chennai. Uh,
But you did not mention any South
yeah,
Indian
yeah,
places.
because there were language barrier. When I came to Kolkata, I have also faced language barrier in here.
Okay.
That's why.
Language barrier, you
Yeah,
said.
yeah.
So, but language barrier, but you when you work in a company, there is no language barrier because everyone from the different places they come to work there. Right. So, what kind of language barrier would you face? Like when you go out of the office, there are certain kind of places where they're already developed. So, I don't think there would be language barrier in that particular area.
There will be in like localities where will I live. My
But that would happen in every means state where you visit. Like when you have first visited Kolkata, were you comfortable in Bengali?
No, but it took time to understand that. And so I can I can I can take time to understand the language, but I will proficient in that. Means I will proficient in that language if I will means place in any city.
Okay. So you told me that you did certain projects. like gaming app you have developed. So, what is the gaming future you see in India or in globally? Just tell me something about it.
Okay. Means in globally there are more means gaming future than in India. As right now it's a VCT Valorant Champion trophies. That's called a Valorant means championship. It held in means Asia Pacific region, Asia region, UK region. There is prize pool for that. There is prize pool for around 40 crores. So they are like pushing the gamers out to make the name for themselves. Means for because today right now in India there are not many gamers that are successful. They are only successful on YouTube, not on tournament or anything else. But outside India there are many players that are successful in championships by taking championships. They just harness their skills in that.
What? Let me interrupt you in between. What extra skills can you add to the gaming particular industry to make it more means experiencing and more interacting to the users, that everyone would love to play the game which you have developed on your own? What extra features would you add in the game?
I would first of all apply many maps. Means I will introduce many maps that will be friendly to all. Every person have different requirements of maps, guns, skins, and everything. Gun skin can be introduced because it attracts many users. I can just means I will make the language that are different at different places. There are different languages. I can just give them their own language. Means I will introduce their own language that they can select. So by this I can make them just attract to my game and let them play.
Only by adding the different
Languages, maps, gun skins,
Okay.
and means right now there are many games that can attract, but they are not attracting because
What are they
of their-
lacking? What are they lacking in that which you feel?
I lacking their means they have high system requirement, but in India right now everybody not have means everybody don't have that type of requirement to play that game on means high FPS.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. So the last question, which I would like to ask you, that why do you want this job? Why do you think it is important to you? There are several IT industries developed. If I talk about like any particular industry, any particular company, why do you want the job in our company only, and why not others? But if you get the better opportunity apart from there, you will switch.
I can say that I have just means I've read many details about your companies on net and everything, and you treat your loyal or you treat your efficient worker. Efficient worker means efficient worker great. I mean efficient worker. You treat your efficient worker good. That's why I want a job in your company, because to harness my skill and get in the position that I can fit in.
Okay. And what are your salary expectations as per freshers?
Salary expectation, it uh, salary expectation, it means it depends on the position you are giving me now. If you are giving me an intern position, then you can give me like 7 to 8 lakhs, or you are giving me any higher position, then you can switch to 12 or 15 lakhs.
Okay. So do you have any question for me?
So during my interview, how can you rate my interview to the table of 1 to 10?
Okay. So first of all, I would say that as a student, I think you have done many things and many projects, and you have that particular what to say, that studious part in you. Okay. But when you talk about communication, when you interact with someone, okay, there is a before applying your skill, you first need to interact. Without interacting, just by applying your skill won't get you up anywhere. Okay, placed in anywhere. So you need to enhance it, as of my, I have taken your interview, so as of my experience, I would suggest you to be work on that. Okay, like in the communication part, you are lacking in that. So if I rate according in 5, I would say in 5 I'll rate you 2.5.
Okay.
But you need to improve. Okay, there is always a chance to improve, so improve yourself.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.